You won't believe what I just picked up from the Adidas outlet. Pure heat. Stay tuned.
I don't hit the stage unless my tennis shoes new. Out with the old ones and in with the new. I gotta.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy EBkicks coming back with just another video. Sneaker Mafia, what's popping with y'all? I told y'all we about to keep coming with this content more and more and more. Before we start this video, this is what I want you to do. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, and then leave EBkicks a comment down below. Alright, enough of that. Let's go right ahead into this review. So, as y'all saw, I went to the Adidas outlet and I copped a gym today. A real good gym. But first, I want to go ahead and tell y'all about my new quality in the camera that I'm about to start getting, because I got a new SD card. And I wanted to show y'all this because this SD card is on Best Buy for $134.99. Thanks to Amazon, I price matched for $35.79. That's $92.20 savings for an SD card that's 64 gigs. Real good pickup. Anyway, let's jump into this review. Let's play What's in the Bag? So, what we have in this bag right here most of you may know what this is, most of you may not know what it is. A Pharrell Human Race jacket. Retail at $100. I got it for a steal. $38.11. Let's pop this thing open. First, let's go with the details on the outside. You have your velvet feel. This velvet material, it's real nice, velour. And you have your Adidas sign right here in a triangle with the Adidas logo in white. On the sleeves, you have the 3 stripes going all the way up to the neckline on both sleeves. 2 zipper pockets. You have another Adidas logo in the multicolor, and then on the back of that you have your Pharrell Williams Human Race symbol. And on the back it has the Japanese writing. Not sure what it means, but I'll put down in the description once I look it up and find out what that means. In white, it's nice. Then you take it around, zip it, have that same Japanese writing on the inside in red and white. This is not mine. I didn't get lucky. It's for my wife. So I got this for her, and she's seen it already and she liked it a lot. So as y'all can see, we have this Human Race box. That's right, these are the Pharrell Human Race NMDs. The official name for these are PW Human Race NMD TR. Let's get into the shoe. We have the Oreo Human Race. Now, as we all know, both shoes are different with words on each shoe and the back pull tab. So we'll go with the right shoe first. On the right shoe, we have clouds on the front of the shoe. We have a black outsole with the Adidas logo. Come around to the midsole where the boost is. You have the white boost with 2 square tabs. You come up to the upper, you have that cage for the laces, and then you have the white laces with them. Also came with black laces too. And on the booty of it, you have a white leather pull tab with a black Adidas logo. On the inside, it's just telling you about the human body, like the kidney, the stomach, the bladder, and all that. I did not get these from the Adidas outlet, just to let you know. I did get them for retail. I just didn't do the review when I first got them. But better late than never. Left shoe, we have the same thing, black outsole, black Adidas logo. Coming to the midsole, the boost, the white boost with the 2 square tabs. You come up to the cage for the laces, which is white, the white laces. And on this side it says moon. So I guess you could say moon cloud or cloud moon, whichever, however you want to call it. And then come to the booty, the white leather with the black Pharrell Human Race logo. These are in the Oreo colorway, so it's that black with that white and gray. And I really like it. I mean, it's a dope shoe to me. It's real dope. First Human Race that I have, and I have to say it's a dope shoe. I really like it. Am I gonna wear it? Maybe, yeah. Just depending on with what. I wish that jacket was mine, because that jacket and this will go so dope together. I am on the lookout for a Pharrell Williams Human Race jacket like that. I don't think the men's was actually that material. I think it was the windbreaker material, but I am on the lookout for that jacket. Other than that, you got your Pharrell Human Race. Let me know what you think about the shoe. Let me know if you copped, if you didn't cop, or if you tried to cop. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'm not gonna do an on foot of these, because like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna wear them. But thanks for watching. I really hope that you like this review on the Pharrell Oreo Human Race. If you did like this review, go ahead, give me a big thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe to Layers of Kicks. And remember, at 10K, we're giving away the Zebra Yeezys. So go ahead, let everybody know. Go subscribe to Layers of Kicks. And I have more secret look on the way. So make sure that y'all stay on your grind and don't let nobody say you can't shine. It's your boy Layers of Kicks, and I'm out. Oh, make sure y'all go watch this video over here of my review on the 25th anniversary 11s, and then watch this secret look episode 1. Jasper collection is crazy. Make sure y'all go watch, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see y'all soon.
Please subscribe my daddy's page.
My closet look loco, and when I'm on the scene, my swag clown like Bozo. Air Force is cocaine, khaki shorts, low main. They asking what the name of these is. Kurt Cobain. Get them from the mall. You at